back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hot doll baby, hot doll baby, hot doll baby, hot doll baby. What? Hi doll baby. Nice to have you back. So happy that you are here. Okay, today it's another collab, because guess what? We're on collabs for 2021. So today I am collabing, and it's going to be a very special collab. I am collabing with Ashley. You might know her as Badashhchick, okay? And I'm going to throw some stuff up about her. She is super adorable. She's adorable. She's stunning. You should check out her page. Check out her Instagram page. She is just one of those like classic beauty, throw any wig on and you look fabulous type women. So you need to check her out. She does a lot of fashion stuff too on her page. You should also check out her YouTube channel. I mean, she's serving the short looks, the long looks, the straight looks, the curly looks. Like, she's just gorgeous in general. So it'll inspire you. And I want to thank her so much for collaborating with me. And we're also doing something fun. We are going to do a giveaway. Oh my gosh. Before I tell the deets of the giveaway, we are doing a collab on this oldie but goodie. This is Janet Collection's Noel. Okay, I'll tell you all the deets about her. But for the giveaway, we are actually going to be giving away your own, very own Noel, okay? And it'll be in the color OET1B/burgundy. Check out both of our Instagrams. You'll see deets about the giveaway on there as well. So after you watch this video, go ahead and check out Ashley's video on her channel. Follow both of us on Instagram. Enter the giveaway. We're so excited to be able to do this for you. And yeah, this wig. So I actually asked her to do this wig. This is a wig, I've already done her once, and I don't know why, but I got rid of her. And I remember loving her, so I'm not even sure what happened. I potentially could have worn her so much that I needed to get rid of her. But this is a Janet Collection wig. It's part of their Superflow line. It's a deep part lace wig. Okay. Does have a lace front, hand-tied parting, and it's sort of that curved part. Heat safe up to 360 degrees. I have her in the color Daisy, which I'm obsessed with, where it has this sort of darker root, this number like 27-ish, and then the dark root at the bottom. I scooped her up from So Good BB for $21.41. Let's talk about her. I don't know what color Ashley's getting. She may be getting the same color. I'm not sure. So I'm really, really interested to see how she slays her. This is a light yaki texture. She is long. Okay, I had to clean my lens. I was feeling like it was giving me issues. So she is a light yaki texture. She is long. I would put her in the 28-ish inch. I'm actually standing on my toes. I'm 6'8". I'm 5'6.5". And so yeah, she's probably in the 30-inch mark. She's not a ton of hair though. Like, this is all the hair to the front. I don't think it's a huge volume. She does have sort of this wave at the top and then straight at the bottom. She does really respond to a round brush very nicely. I think you could see, I think you could even, if you wanted to cut her, you could cut some of this and still have some of this dark tip. Oh yeah, and she'd still be at a really beautiful length. Wig cap is an average size wig cap. I think if you are in need of a larger wig cap, she could work. I don't have her tightened that much. She's not really going anywhere. This is sort of the older style lace. This is going to be the hard French lace. Some people actually like that because it doesn't lift as much, but if you have any sensitive scalp issues, or if you're going through any type of treatments or alopecia, it may be a little bit too uncomfortable for you. The luster is good. She feels good. She's only been catching a little bit on the ends. I mean, this is a very long unit, so it's not too bad. She's not really catching right now. I like that you can just make her sort of like really sleek and romantic, or you can do her sort of bigger and more of a lumptuous. I always feel like I have to say voluptuous, which is so nice. Yeah, so you can definitely just do it like that. So overall, I'm glad that I brought her back. She's definitely going in my long-term collection. I have to feel like she was one of the earlier wigs that I had, and I think maybe I just wore her a lot. Now I don't really wear my wigs a ton, so I can see me keeping her for quite a while. I'm obsessed with this color. I love this style. She's easy where, like I said, you could cut her up if you needed to. I'm definitely keeping her. So yeah, that's what I have for you. If you have this wig, please put your thoughts down below. If you haven't yet, please check out Ashley's channel. Go see her video on this. I'm excited to see what her thoughts are. Also, please enter the giveaway. Again, you're going to get this Noel wig, but in the burgundy color. And all the deets will be down below. All the deets will be on Instagram. I believe they actually already are on Instagram. And so, yes, so that is what I have for you for this sort of collab flashback and a giveaway. Thank you so much to Ashley for collabing with me and for participating with this giveaway. I'm so excited to see who wins. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.